So to insert a magnetic snap, you're going to need your magnetic snaps, method of marking, seam ripper, and I like to add fusible fleece and iron-on interfacing as well to add strength. So you are going to position your magnetic snap centrally, which for me I know is 8 inches in, and I'm going to iron a piece of fusible fleece where the magnetic snap's going to go. So for fusible fleece, I'm just pressing and heating to get it to seal. Right. So my snap is going to be 1 3/4 inches down from the top, because I've got to allow a gap for my top seam allowance. I've got to be able to get my sewing machine past it. So that's 1/2 inch. So that's my central point of my snap, midway, which you could fold and finger press, and 1 3/4 inches down. So I'm going to get my washer and place that over that dot and mark where I'm going to rip with the seam ripper. Right, so that's where the magnetic snap's going to be inserted. Let's just check that's the right. I made it big enough. Yep, that fits. So I'm going to turn it over and I'm just going to apply a little bit of fray stop glue. Whilst that's drying, I'm just going to do the opposite side. Right, so let's get that position again. So because my bag is 16 inches wide, I'm going for 8 inches and 1 3/4 inches from the top. Marking. Cutting, checking it's wide enough. Yeah. And I'm going to apply my fray stop again. Once your fray stop is dried, you're going to insert your snap. Into your fabric. Put the washer on either side and open out. Once you've done that, you're going to get a piece of iron-on interfacing and apply that, and this just adds extra strength. My iron-on interfacing, as you can see, is bigger than my fusible fleece. So my fusible fleece is about 2 inches square, and my iron-on interfacing is about 3 inches square. So then we've got a really good seal on the back and a really neat finish on the front. I'll just do it with the other. Insert the snap. Add the washer. And apply the interfacing. Magnetic snaps are a super easy, quick method for applying a closure mechanism to your bag, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, press the like button below. Thank you.